I have with me Nilesh Bhai. I fondly call him. He's our general manager sales for the North region and also our product manager for the encoder product line, which we are bringing to the visitors here, right here in Productronica India. So Nilesh Bhai, we've been in the metrology industry from last more than 50 years now. Renishaw is known as a metrology company, a precision measurement company, but we also have the position measurement, which is also a very important product line, which has been represented all over the world. We've been helping a lot of manufacturers to take the position feedback, whether it is machine tools, electronics, semiconductors, robotics, a lot of industries, right, where the position feedback is taken, and I think that's what the users may not be familiar with. So, what exactly we do in this space?
So, Rahul, thank you very much first of all, and welcome everyone, all the customers to our stall in Productronica. As Rahul mentioned that in early 90s we have launched our encoder product line, and the beginning was to give a solution for the CMM application. And since last now more than 30 plus years, we have developed various kind of encoder solutions which serve different segments like robotic segments, like machine tool applications, XY stage, semiconductor industries, and so on. So we are mainly known for very precision encoder manufacturing company, and across the world we are providing solutions to different segments.
Right, Nilesh Bhai. I think it's good that our viewers who will now know that we are there from 1990s. It's a big thing for us as well. Productronica, we are participating for the first time.
Yeah.
I think I remember when you called last year and said that Rahul, the semiconductor and electronic industry is booming in India.
Yeah.
We recently saw what Prime Minister Modi said in his Independence Day speech. So many semicon companies are coming, so many electronic companies are establishing their bases in India. Precision is very important for this sector. And when you mentioned that we want to participate in this sector, in this exhibition to demonstrate our capabilities, so what is that our visitors to our booth can see at our booth?
Yeah. So very good question, Rahul. So basically, semicon and electronic industries are future growth engines for India, and our respected Prime Minister is particularly doing a lot of focus in this segment. And predominantly, Renishaw is having very good solutions as a position feedback system supplier into this segment. So, though recently it is coming in India, but across the world, the other part of the world, we are already supplying these solutions to electronics and semicon applications, whether it is wafer manufacturing machines, or it is a circuit testing machines, or it is a back-end process or front-end process. We have different kind of solutions in terms of providing a very precision measurement feedback system.
If at all our customers or the electronic manufacturers are not able to come to this exhibition, where do they can find XY stage?
Yeah. So basically, if you are not able to visit this exhibition, still we can have this showcase demo in our Bangalore Tech Center. You all are very much welcome, and you can come down and have an experience of this XY stage, and you can see our all encoder product line with a live demonstration on this XY stage.
Thank you, Nilesh. We are right in the heart of the manufacturing in Bangalore, in Pinia, and the XY stage is going to be in our tech center in Pinia. Of course, all our smart manufacturing experts are around the country. Thank you so much, Nilesh Bhai, for introducing this to our audiences, and jointly I think we can invite, please join us in Hall 4, stand I-25.